Okay, so for number 8, what are the solutions for the given equation? Solutions mean the same thing as x-intercepts and zeros and roots. So that means I can use my quadratic formula to solve. But before I use my quadratic formula, I need one side of the quadratic to equal 0. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides. So I have x squared minus 12x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now I can use my quadratic formula. My a is equal to 1, my b is equal to negative 12, and my c is equal to 5. So I have a negative 12 plus or minus the square root, negative 12 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5, all over 2 times 1. Here I'm going to have a positive 12 plus or minus. Here I have 12 squared is 144. Negative 4 times 1 gives me negative 4. Plus 5 gives me minus 20 over 2. So now underneath my square root, I have 124. So I have to reduce this square root here. So we have to remember how to reduce radicals. So if I have the square root of 124, I know that this is an even number, so I can take square root of 2 out, and then I'm left with 62. I know 62 is also an even number, so I can take another 2 out, and I'm left with the square root of 31. So square root of 2 times square root of 2, that means I have a square root of 4, which is 2. So I'm left with 2 square root of 31. So I can replace this 2 square root of 31 for my square root of 124. So we get 12 plus or minus 2 square root of 31 all over 2. And from here I can separate and simplify. 12 over 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 31 over 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and the 2's cross out, so I'm left with 6 plus or minus square root of 31 for my solutions, and that gives me answer choice D.